Hello my lovelies, it's Nisha. So just wanted to have a quick chat. It is very unplanned because I was supposed to post different video today. So you might have seen on my Instagram I have bought the new Too Faced pumpkin spice palette. And I did a tutorial, I did 4 looks with it, and that's what I was going to post today. Well, today is Sunday, but you're watching it on Monday. But then I remembered I had the giveaway to do for the Fysiko eyelash serum. And I thought, well, then I have to sit down, announce the winners. But I thought, as I'm sitting down here, we have a little chat. So, things are okay. It's been very quiet week. That's why I haven't vlogged really throughout the week. I've just done some studying, tidying up and keeping up with the news as usual. I'm so deep into it. So yeah, it has been quiet week. I've done a bit of shopping online. Not so much clothing, because with that I still haven't brought any of my winter clothes down from the loft. You know, I do that every season. I swap, I put my summer clothes up the loft, take the winter ones. I haven't even taken one pair of boots down because I don't go anywhere. We are obviously in lockdown. Everything is shut. So the only place I go is the park to walk the dog, and I have just walking waterproof boots for that. I can wear trainers if I go somewhere else, so I don't think I'm going to bother. I've got few sweaters, you know, and sweatshirts that if it's colder. Some I bought this season, like the H&M stuff, so I don't think I'm going to bother. I spend my days in leggings, so I don't see the point. And I'm quite glad, because this is always so stressful every year, trying to swap the clothing. Probably because I've got too many clothes. So, but I bought a couple of new tops. They are not here yet, so I'll probably show you in the next Monday video. What I got though is, I looked at Victoria's Secrets because I wanted some like slip night dresses. I got one. And I bought this body lotion, moisturizing body lotion. I used to get the Bath and Body Works ones from US, but of course can't go to US. I know I can get them on eBay, but I thought I'd try Victoria's Secret, and I got the Vanilla Dusk. So it is Tahitian vanilla, honeyed fig, autumn embrace. It's beautiful. I am so glad, because obviously it was online so I couldn't smell it, but it definitely has. I love for the winter this type of smells, you know, like a warm vanilla, and I'm sure I had before from Bath and Body Works Tahitian vanilla body butter, and I really liked it. Yeah, it's very warm, you know, like God, I'm so rubbish at describing fragrances. Definitely smell vanilla, definitely smell a bit of fig, but it's that warm, like you are wrapped up in a blanket. Beautiful. So I would definitely recommend it if you like it. It's tiny bit sweet and spicy, so if you don't like sweet smells, but it's not flowery, it's just warm. I've ordered, I think, couple of new eyeshadow palettes, but I will talk to you about that when I get them. What else did I get? I don't know. I stay up pretty late at night and I watch different stuff, and this is the time when I love going shopping online, because in the day I'm distracted and doing things, but in the evening I sit on my sofa with my laptop on my lap and I surf the net. It's very dangerous. so I will show you the stuff when it gets here. Hopefully it'll be next Monday. Now, Christmas is so close, but do you know what? I just cannot get excited about it. So normally by this time of year I would have been in every garden centre, looking at all the decorations, buying some more, even though I don't need it. I could decorate the whole road here, but obviously I haven't been anywhere, so haven't seen anything, and I just don't feel that Christmas spirit. We still are not sure what the rules will be for Christmas. I'm not even sure if, you know, if this lockdown will end, because the first one's supposed to be the only one. So I can't get excited, but I think maybe I should start looking online at like pictures of Christmas trees or something. And to be honest, I'm not seeing much of it on YouTube either. So I'm obviously not the only one, because usually by now I used to see loads of videos of people decorating for Christmas, and I haven't seen many at all. Well, I haven't seen any, maybe one, but I think that was from last year. So I think if I get the stuff down, I might get a bit excited. I already have the theme planned. You know how I do it. I knew my theme for this year last year, so I plan a year in advance, because then if I, like after the last Christmas, I would go to the sales and buy stuff on sale for the next year. So I have a theme for my Christmas tree in my living room, my main one, but I don't have a theme for this one that I usually, well, not usually, it was first time last year that I had behind me. So I don't know yet what I'm going to do with that. I usually do them both in the same colors, but maybe this year I do it a bit different. I don't know. Okay, let me read you out the winners. So I did the random picker online. It was a nightmare, because every time I pressed choose the winner, there would be a comment from someone that wasn't interested in winning it. So I had to keep pressing it till I found someone that said, yes, can I have the lash serum? Okay, so I have Julie Monroe from USA. Oh, I remember Julie's name. Julie always, you always comment, yeah. I think I can even see in my head your avatar. And Lisa Coletta from Canada. So that's for the people across the pond. And in UK, I have Victoria Sykes and Rebecca Whiteside. I will write them on the screen as I'm telling you those. So could you please email me with your details, with your mailing address. Please be patient, because obviously it's lockdown and things are not working as normal, so I don't know how long it will take for it to to get to you. I'm not going to post offices, so I will have to arrange it to be picked up somehow from my house. And now for Julie and Lisa in USA and Canada, I'm going to pass on your address directly to Fysiko, and they're going to post it to you, because it's pointless for them posting it here to me to UK and then posting it back to US. So yeah, and could you please let me know once you've received it, so I know you got it. So congratulations to the winners. I hope you'll be as happy as I am with this serum. Remember, give it time, give it at least 3 weeks of applying it every day, and then you will start seeing the difference. Okay, roots are enormous again. I better make an appointment as soon as the lockdown finishes, just in case we get locked down again. But I might have just half a head done, like just the top. It's pointless doing it underneath, really. You can't see it. Okay, I'm gonna go now. I know it's a very random video, but like I said, I didn't have anything planned for today. I've got all these brushes that I've used for the pumpkin spice palette that I need to wash now. Oh, on my eyes I'm wearing the Duo palette. Was it soft cashmere? What do I have on my lips? I can't remember. I know that the lip liner is Charlotte Tilbury Iconic Nude, but I can't remember. I'll probably put like 3 or 4 different things on my lips. My earrings, oh yeah, I bought those in a local store, and this is from Zara, very old. They do these boxy thin knitwear type of thing every year in different colors. Alright, my lovelies, so please remember the winners to email me with your addresses. On Wednesday you will see the tutorial with pumpkin spice. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful week and I see you soon. Stay fabulous. Bye.